Hi everyone, I'm Lisa with Down to Earth Gardening and Design, and welcome to our video today, which is going to be on 10 perennials that I always cut down in the spring. And so it's a very easy thing to do, and I'm going to show you quickly how. I'm going to talk about why we're doing it now, and then I'm going to show you the 10 perennials. So you may see some that haven't been cut yet, some that have been cut, and then also a few peeks of what they look like when they're in full swing. So why do I leave these perennials and cut them down in the spring? Well, a couple reasons. One is when there's not much going on in the winter, it's really nice to see some of these things, even if there's snow sitting on them. So just for the beauty of it or aesthetics. And two, I do like leaving some things for the birds and the wildlife. So you want to think about nesting materials for our feathered friends, and you also want to talk about some bird food. So in the spring, super easy to cut them down, and all you'll need for that is a pair of shears. You can also use electric or gas powered shears, and just for tidying some up a little bit, pruners. And I have Josh with me today. He likes to cut them down with his gas powered shears, so we'll show you that technique as well. But when I say it's easy, it is so easy because the goal is to just cut them straight down to the ground, as close as you can get. And a hot tip is you want to do this as early in the spring as you can, so that way you don't already have some new growth coming up. So that makes it a little tougher, and we want to make things easy for ourselves. There's so many tasks to do in the springtime. So we're going to start here with this echinacea. So that is the #1 perennial that I cut down in the spring. And right here I have my shears, and I'm just going to go ahead. You can hear how crispy it is. And that's it. So it's pretty early spring right now. We just celebrated the first day of spring about a week ago, and look, you can already see the new growth. So that's why as soon as you can, you really need to get out there. Otherwise, it's going to be a little more work. Okay, and then I'm going to bring you over to the next one on the list. So #2 is my Japanese sedge grass. And I really love this. It turns this golden in the winter, but it's time to go and get ready for the new growth. I have 2 of these back here, and one I'm going to do with my hand shears, and then Josh is going to show you how he likes to trim them down with his gas shears. So you can see there's a lot of leaves here too, so I just cut them flush with the ground again, and then do a little hand cleaning. And then, of course, when we're ready to rake and leaf blow the gardens, we'll be cleaning up the remainder. Okay, so we're done with the Lespedeza, and I have to say, I'm so glad that I left it as long as possible because last fall there were a ton of bees on it. So this was a must leave for the winter. You can also see when there's a mass planting how it's easier to use gas shears. So thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Give us a thumbs up if you did, and join us again and subscribe.